Hello kids, I am Priyanka and I'm back again with my new video of chapter 14 Craze, a new age disease that has been spreading fast goes by name of Trevelia. The root causes of their modern day disease in the travel bug. The disease particularly has a tendency to affect wealthy people. The symptoms of the disease are restless in early spring and just after winter. People became eager for information about tourist places and anxiously contact travel agent and start collecting brochures during this phase. The final season outburst of the disease can be seen around the time of the summer vacation. Those affected by the travel bug decide to board a train, bus, or a plane to foreign place like thousands of other affected by disease. People travel not because they are necessarily interested or attracted by a place, but more because they cannot stop the bug. Even within the country, one can frequently observe the side effect of the disease. What makes a person want to travel? People from different countries have different purpose in traveling. Americans can fond of taking pictures of themselves at places of historical interest like Taj Mahal, Mughal Garden, or beneath the Arc of Bhulbulaya, or with a chadar in the hands in front of Dargah or Khwaja Christ. One wonders of their urge to collect documentary evidence of their travel. Germans, on the other hand, are eager to check the authenticity of detail provided in the guidebook. They are especially keen to check whether the location of Jantar Mantar is actually in Delhi or elsewhere. They also check eagerly whether the old man who walks out the big clock in the Salarjung Museum actually does. So when the clock strikes 12, the German national makes sure to tick off the details in the guidebook when he is satisfied that he has not been deceived. There is another way that this disease has made its strange appearance. Most of the urban population travel nowadays because they have caught the infection from other in the office. In the colleague in the office has applied for relief travel concerns. The virus is sure to spread to others. Many Indians travel in group or venture out in joint families. They book a hotel on dormitory where the staff is of their own region. They eat their own religion dishes and sometimes even cook themselves in order to save money. Another thing that is observed in that people who normally don't interact with much with neighborhoods are particularly affectionate with familiar faces when they happen to meet them in distant places such as Jammu or Andaman. Research is still required on two things that could effectively work out be the cure of Travelia. Firstly, the discovery that one's neighbor are interesting people, and secondly, that you do not have to travel too far to satisfy your curiosity. Once the answer of these questions are found, reliably treatment of the same can be prescribed. And this is written by Writers Group. Thank you.